My project's called Colville. It is set in Washington State in America. It is basically just sort of exploring masculinity within Native American culture, contemporary Native American culture. And it took me over about 6 weeks in total, living amongst Native Americans very immersely, specifically with one family. And I got to know them very well. And the project initially started with following the relay races, which the jockeys, that family is very involved. They have many jockeys within that family. But as I kind of got more deep into the project and spent more and more time with them, it basically turned into a broader view of them engaging with traditional activities amongst Native American contemporary culture, but sort of looking masculinity within that, really. Initially, it was very much the relay racing, the Indian relay racing, which they've been doing for about 400, 500 years. So, I mean, it's nothing new to them. But that within contemporary American culture I thought was very interesting. So I really was intrigued in that, and I contacted the jockeys and the team owners, and I went over there to photograph that very specifically. But as I got to know the jockeys, as I said, it's my scope became much larger, and I realized there was much more potential in other things they were doing, not just the racing. It was more behind the scenes of the racing that I thought were more interesting, such as hunting, foraging, and many other things that they do to kind of keep themselves engaged with their own culture, really. The course has been instrumental in how I perceive photography, especially documentary, because when I came here, I had a very rigid idea of what documentary was, but it's just opened my eyes completely. I think that's the main thing that's happened. But also, it's not just that, it's inspired me with the level of commitment that they have, really, for their subject matter, and the level of passion that they have, really. And it's like that you won't find that anywhere else, I don't think. And it's the passion combined with the heritage and the history, and it really puts you in a new place where you can really think about new work, and really exciting place.